reality that we all have to face is that everything we do is monitored. Honestly, it's crazy because it's really like there's no secrets anymore. That's the day and age we live in, and we think about media. Back in the day, media was just whatever, or these big companies, CBS, CNN, or whatever they want you to know. Well, now, guess what? Media is social. And so that means everyone's talking. Everything you do, people are gonna see. And now, for you as a person growing, if you're in business, you gotta realize like the eyes are on you because you are in business. So if you're using social media to advertise your business, it's really a no-brainer. Your personal life, it becomes commingled because people are gonna look at you and say, well, this guy, he's trying to sell clothes, but look how he dresses, so to speak, or whatever. So they're just associating your business with you. And you branding your business, you really still branding yourself. People are gonna be all in your business because you're inviting them into your business once you're on social media. And guess what? You're not gonna be effective with advertising and building your business without using social media. So that's why Masternomics is so important for people, because it's personal development and it's professional. So that's why when I put this together, me and my wife was putting this together, it was like, we have to have both. You have to have the personal and you have to have the professional, because people don't really know how to be professional because they don't know how to personally handle their business. I would see people and they're like, well, my business, I'm only doing so much. And then the first thing I do is I go to their Facebook. I say, do you got a Facebook? Yeah, I got a Facebook. I'm seeing them on Facebook. And I'm like, well, wow, you posting fight videos. But then, you wonder why you're attracting these type of people in your hair salon or in your tax business or whatever you're doing. It's like these are the people you're inviting into your world. So this is why it's a reflection of your business. So, your business is just a reflection of you. So definitely it matters. And without a doubt, you got to clean up your act if you're going to be in business. And people, some people tell me, well, I just want to be who I am. I just want to be. Okay, well, if where you're at today is not getting you the results to where you can pay your bills on time or you can create the life you want, you got to make that decision. Either you want it or you don't. The same way people come in this door and they ask for help, I let certain people go out because I don't have time to play. This is serious business. This is transformative information. So without a doubt, building your brand, build yourself first, right? So I always tell people, I build businesses and business owners from the inside outward. So it all starts inside you and your mind and what you think and how you feel about your business. And it's all going to be reflected in your business. So brand yourself. Watch what you do. Watch what you post. All eyes are on you. That's the world we live in.